Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to develop a AI agent. So I have developed a autonomous refund AI agent system. So I will show you how to do that one also. So AI agent is nothing but it's a software system that uses artificial intelligence to observe, think and act automatically to complete a particular task or achieve a goals. So here we have taken a refund AI agent. So for designing these things, we needed two things. One is the order, and the another one is the refund policy. So it's acting like a human. So based upon the refund policy, it automatically take the decision. So here for that I told we need the order details as well as the refund policy. So if you open the order details means here we can see the order when they placed the order, how many days completed after placing their order, what is the status, whether it is delivered or not, or how much amount they paid. So all those details we have in the order.csv file. And if you open the refund policy mean there will be some policy information will be there. If maximum 7 days means the action would be approved. The reason within the refund window. More than 7 days means we have to take the say action as a escalate refund window exit like that. So these two things needed to design a autonomous AI agent system. So already this is the program that one. So I have used the Gemini LLM model acting as a agent here. So this is the full code. I will give the code later. No issue. I can upload there. So first I will run this program initially. Then we will see how it's working for the refund system. So here this is the command to run the program Unicon main app reload. So I'm entering that one. So automatically it is opening in a port here, then slash devocs. Now I have used a FastAPI only. So let me see docs devocs. Yeah, it's opening. So this is then we can post our command and we can see try it out. So here we need to give the user text. So already we have defined the agent systems. First, if you are designing any agent, we need to check whether the design one is working correctly or not. For that, first we have to ask one question, that is who are you? If you ask to any LLM, it will tell I am Gemini model, I am ChatGPT, something like that. So he here we have customized it. So we'll see how it's working. Who are you? First I'm asking, then it will tell execute, then it's loading. Okay, really refund system. Do you have an order ready? I can use it start. So what it's, I am a large language model trained by Google. I can help process refund system because already we have designed this for or optimized this for a refund system. So it's telling I can help to process the refund because do you have an order ID? I can use to start. Suppose I am giving any one of the order ID. Uh, it is asking to give the order ID. My order order ID. Simply I am giving a random number. So I executed that one. We will see what's coming. So I'm sorry, but I couldn't find your order ID with ID. Please double check the order ID and try again. Because I have given some random numbers, right? So actually my order ID is, this is my order ID. So just I'm giving my order ID here. Then we'll see what's the response is coming here. So right now my order ID is execute. So uh, it's working. So your refund for the order has been approved for $1,200. How? Because our order ID is here. First one, days only 5 days completed, and the amount is 1,200 USD. So it is initially it is checked with the policy. First is checked with the number of days completed after purchasing the product. It's 5 days only. So in the policy itself, we have mentioned 7 days policy. Action is approve that one within the refund window. So automatically it is giving us a message, your refund for the order ID has been approved for 1200. Suppose I am giving another order ID. So this one, it's come after it's 35 days is completed. So I will give that one. We'll see what's the response it's giving. My order ID is, now we'll see what's the response. So the refund request for the order ID needs to be escalated. The order was placed 35 days ago, which is beyond 7 days auto approval window for refund. So it is asking to go to escalate. This is the policy, we have already set it there. So more than 7, it is going to accelerate. So it's automatically coming from the LLM only. No human intervention. Automatically, it is checking the policy and the order details. It is giving the system, is giving the output. So right now I'm giving another one order ID, maybe 15 days. I will copy and paste it here. Let's see how it's working. My order ID is execute. So when I given this one, we'll see how it's working. I'm sorry, but this refund request for order needs to be escalated. The order was placed 15 days ago, which is beyond the 7-day auto approval window for refund. So according to policy, it is giving us a result also. Suppose what I need to, suppose I'm asking another question. What the policy for that one? What's the refund policy? So suppose I'm asking this question, we'll see what's the response. I need to already tell you about the refund policy for specific order. Could you please provide it? So okay, we'll give any one of the order ID and we will see how it's response. How it's respond. Okay, what's the refund policy for this order? Uh, so now it's loading. So I have evaluated the refund policy for order ID. The refund needs to be escalated because the order was placed 35 days ago, which exceeds the 7 days auto approval limit. Understood, right? So I have given the order ID 31. So that's why it's checking with the policy and giving a result. So this is how everything is automated. The LLM only doing. So we designed the normal LLM as a refund agent system. Or suppose I'm asking one more question. Are you a refund agent? We'll see how it's working. Oh, not, I am a large language model, not a refund agent. I can help to process the refund for you, but I need to order ready. Could you please? So what it's telling? Actually, it's a refund agent only, but I don't know why it's telling. Not re no, no, you design. Suppose are you a refund AI agent? Suppose I'm asking this question. Yes, yes, I am a refund AI agent to be processed the refund because we have put it as a AI agent, right? Yes, I am a refund AI agent to process the report. I need to add ready. Again, it is asking. Okay, okay, cool. Okay, very good. If I'm serving, okay, very good. So actually, it's not a agent, it's a AI agent. Yeah, I can help process the refund, but I need the order ready. Could you please provide it? So everything, so every response, like a human only. How the human typing is there, response, everything coming as like a human. That's the power of this AI agent. So what else we can ask? Who designed you? Let me see. Who designed you? Which means the AI a refund agent. Spelling mistake also no problem, it will take that one. I can't process the refund request without order ID. Please provide the order ID regarding this. I am a large language model trained by Google. Okay, it's giving us a trained by Google. So always as it is a refund agent. That's why it is asking always order ID. Give the order ID so that I can help. You understood right now? So whatever the question asks, it's always giving the answer related to the order ID. This is how we design this model. Likewise, you can use it for your own application also. So like that, no, this is a refund agent, like that research agent, job search agent. So any kind of application you can use this one. So I hope you understand all those things. If you have any doubt means you can ask me and you can contact me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.